Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I would appreciate it if you guys help me reach 1,000 subscribers. And if you're an oldie, welcome back and let's see what I have today. Today's unboxing is a purchase I made online from Nordstrom Rack. It is a MCM backpack. Woo! And here is the receipt. And I purchased this for $429, which it originally retails for $795 if I'm not mistaken. And it's so pretty. Here is the exact name. It's a color pink blush. This backpack does come in two colors, a black and this pink color. I originally wanted the black, but because the pink one was on sale and it was such a good deal, it was on sale for $3.89 and I paid $4.29 with tax, I could not pass up on it. So I had to snatch this baby up. And honestly, I'm glad I picked it up in this pink color because I already own two black ones. And look at it. It has silver hardware, so it looks very nice with the pink. I'm glad it has silver versus a gold hardware. As far as the shoulder straps, they do have some padding on it, and the back of it is a different material than the rest of the backpack. The backpack is all leather, and as if you can see, the shoulders, they go on a curve angle instead of a straight line. And there's no feet at the bottom of the backpack, which I wish it would have had, because I always love feet on backpacks. When I set it down, it won't get dirty. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful backpack. So as far as the zipper goes, it runs pretty smooth. And it's silver hardware, as I mentioned earlier. And it's very nicely embossed, the MCM logo all over the backpack. I really love how it looks. It has a nice clean look to it. And it has more of a pebble leather kind of look to it. Here is again the exact name for it and the model number. Like I said, the zipper works very nice. And inside is pretty large as well. And see here, I got smushed by the way they packed it, as you saw in the beginning of the video. And also included in the backpack is the MCM Care Card. Here's just the logo on it. Here's the care card, another care card. And also it has a booklet, which I never use. So it's a very beautiful backpack. I'm really loving it. I'm very happy I made the purchase. Here's the MCM logo on the little buttons. And here you can see it again on the side of the buckle. And this backpack is adjustable and it runs pretty smoothly. It's pretty easy to adjust it. And MCM embossed on the strap. And here's what I was talking about, the cushiony strap. And the material, it's more like a netting. Very beautiful backpack. I'm loving it. So inside the backpack, there is only 2 slip pockets. And it also includes a dust bag, which I'm very happy it includes a dust bag because I could just store it away whenever I'm not using the backpack. And this one is a pretty big slip pocket. Here is an iPad mini and it fits perfectly. So maybe you have the bigger iPad, it would also fit perfectly in there. And you could also try putting it in the other slip pocket. I will probably be putting diapers back in there since this will be my mommy bag. And it's pretty roomy inside as well. It has a side pocket in each side of the backpack. And the front pocket, I like it has the lining of this is also leather. Unlike the inside of the backpack, it is not leather. It's a different type of lining. And I have the iPhone 8 Plus with the Lumi case on, and it fits perfectly in there. Now the Lumi case is pretty big, so keep that in mind. If you have a normal case on your phone, on the iPhone Plus, then it'll fit even better. See right here, my damn pop socket got stuck. It's like, come on, pop socket, you're supposed to help me, not make it worse. But anyways, it fits perfectly in there, and more than that could fit in the backpack. And as you can see, the zipper runs nice. And here again, I'm putting the iPhone 8 Plus in there on the side of the bag, and that fits pretty good. Doesn't go all the way in, but it works. Just be careful nobody snatches your phone out of there, so I would be careful. And as far as this handle, it has a different color as the rest of the backpack. It's more of a purple lavender color versus the pink blush. This is the second backpack I buy from MCM. The first one was the size in small, and I returned it because it was too small. I'll have that down in the description bar. Stay tuned for an upcoming video of what fits in this backpack, a try on. And if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.